Today I'm going to show you how to draw up your trigger injection. This could be called Gonasi or alternatively something called Zivafert. Take everything out of the box. Everything is individually packaged. Inside your box you will have fluid in a syringe, 2 different sizes of needle and a powder. Open the packaging. Take out the fluid and the larger syringe, the larger needle, which is the green needle. Take off the rubber cap. Twist the bottom of the needle off and attach your needle straight onto your syringe, firmly pushing it on. Next, take out your powder. The purple cap can be flicked off. Safely take off your cap and inject the fluid into your powder. The powder will dissolve instantly. You then need to draw that all back up into the syringe. The vial can go safely into your sharps box. The needle can go safely into your sharps box. And now swap to your smaller needle. Twist the end of the needle off and attach onto the end of your syringe. If there is any air or air bubbles in there, just flick the air bubbles out and push that fluid up very, very gently to the top of the syringe. This injection is going into your lower tummy at a 90-degree angle, anywhere between your knicker line and your belly button. Straight in. Plunge the whole amount into your lower tummy. Hold there just for a couple of seconds. Withdraw and pop it all straight into your sharps box.